Kani kadai ke Patisi TV. Bat pidang pet ya ka kubor baman kasngi belawan rasyapi da ka rupa. Bapentingin bat penpa.
Henne kasngi ka pratrik mentau naiwing arja kapra. Kaseng Graduate and Postgraduate Association of Riboy. Ringkat ke Jinghikai bat ke Nehru Memorial High Secondary School Omsning. Kila pelong ya ke Lympung ya merjemot, hakaju kapor kabolong ru kem ke Lympung. Jinghikai ya ke Nonghikai. Halor ke phang padang ke baydai bat ke rekom hikai ki kena ke jingbo jingkeli ha kapor examen bat ke jingbishar ki kot tho examen ju ki kena. Ne ya ke balatep hakaktin pareng ke bong. Teaching approaches, paper setting and evaluation for secondary and higher secondary school teachers. Hakani kesengi lai don katru unong ai boy barang ba jong ke sarkar Meghalaya u Dr. Didi Lapang u balalong kumukongsan hakani ke jelang. Kajing pelong yakani ke Lympung Jinghikai yakin Nonghikai jong ki secondary but higher secondary school lakarsan ru da ke Dr. Didi Lapang Foundation nangta ke District School Education Office Riboy District but ke Meghalaya Board of School Education but yakani ke jelang la pelong ha Omsning Auditorium Hall ha Port Riboy District.
We are shouting at every option for every function. Teachers are the builders of the nation. But rising to the journey that the teachers are put to travel along, there are a lot of things we are missing to support them practically. Well, what the teachers can best believe is that what the poet said, the thing of beauty is a joy forever. That's the only satisfaction they have. Because if they work hard, the student will top of the tree. And the top of the mountain, honor and dignity, there lies the joy of the teacher. And it's a thing of beauty. And that's the whole consolation they have. But that's not enough. The responsibility with the government and with the people is still demanding the task. You know, this remark has become proven when the ICS examination was conducted and passed. One young man, Subhash Chandra Bose, stood number 4. About hundreds of people passed the ICS. Subhash Chandra Bose stood for. That's his marriage day. He's an Indian. But the thing that is ringing in the mind of the Indian youth was, Indian should not be that. When they have selected posting for the people who passed the ICS examination, they have appointed about 120 out of the list. But the name of Subhash Chandra Bose, number 4, was omitted all the time. Chandra Bose reacted. I said, I don't want to submit to this slavery type of mentality. Then what did you do? Draft a letter to the authority to say, please delete my name from the list of the ICS. Because we wonder how this fool to do. So I have decided to delete it. I will not submit to any request to withdraw it. And I have made a bigger decision. I'll fight for free India. Freedom is hazarded my life. I hope the seminar and workshop will be a successful one. Let us stand committed in the service of the nation. Let us discover a place where we love to live. Let us create a better generation and a brighter tomorrow, where peace, where justice, and where happiness will reign.